Let's see if these things fire up.
Grinding teeth.
What was that noise? The starter was getting stuck?
The alignment, yeah.
That actually sounds pretty good.
It does.
All right, though you have to hit the clutch.
Ooh, that's bad shape right there. Let's move the flywheel. Wowzers.
Joe, hop in there. Let's see if we can get this one started.
Oof.
Just kick the side.
Okay, got that part done. Check.
You gonna move the seat back, or are you good?
Nah, I'm good. I think it's low. The lights keep flickering.
Really?
That one sounds awesome. Come on,
Until
Joe.
it doesn't.
Why don't you kill it? This one's mine.
No, that was mine.
That was yours.
Actually sounds good.
Looks like we got ourselves a race car.
Dang. Had.
This one sounds good, though.
You want to start that one too? You want to start them all?
Yeah. I call this one.
Starts out good.
Rev it up a little bit.
You can have this one.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
These things don't have no choke, so they're just gonna be cold-natured.
What's the kill switch? Just to turn the fuel off? Yeah, okay.
I think it kills fuel and ignition. All right, let's see if this one starts.
Go ahead. This one sounds dry.
Wow. Which one do you think fire sounds the best?
These two seem to be the best.
These two.
Now, did we put fuel in this one yet?
No. A little bit better, but still chunky, and it's super rich. Dude, that'll sound really fun when it's right behind you.
Yeah. They all sound good.
It's not bad, Dave.
No.